Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can check your login history on Google. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser, all right? This is your homepage. Click on here, your profile icon, manage your Google account, right? Click on security and sign in. Now you have entered your security settings and options, all right? So first is you need to address if there's any notification or alerts over here, all right? Make sure to do that first because there might be some unknown activity that you need to confirm and update your password if necessary, right? Then scroll down over here, your devices. So this is every single device your account was logged into, all right? So go ahead, click on manage all devices. Then here you can check everything, your login history from every single device. So I have it here, Windows. I also have in here my mobile device. All right. Now, if you've noticed any device, or if, let's say, for example, you would like to log out your account from a specific device, you can just click on that device, click on sign out, and click on sign out. All right. But basically, you are done. You have now accessed the options or settings in your account where you can easily locate and check your login history. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.